What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and we are going down like an hour to South Houston to a Tracktion meet. It's a Cars and Coffee event. It's at the Ferrada Wheel warehouse. So, it should be pretty dope. I think Ferrada's gonna have some company cars out there on some new models of wheels. So, let's get out there and check it out, and let's get a cold start on the vet real quick. Well, boys, we got an underpass coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived. It's very early in the morning, so you know your boy got a Starbucks. Got the 6th Gen ZL1 rolling up. Got a C7 Stinger rolling up, lady driven and everything. That ZL1's plate is Big Sexy. Big B in the building. What's going on, boss? How are you?
Pretty early for all this.
Too early for me.
We out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a super clean Supra over here. Very nice. And this wrap on this Challenger, oof, it's early. It's pretty crazy, man. It's like satin chrome red. It's pretty dope. We got the Mustang gang over here. Bagged, static, bagged, 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 bagged. Lots of airbags over here. Woo, C63 and a GTR, man. Look at this. Oh, it's Mr. Warpath. Team Savage guys rolling up. Pro Charge Stingray. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Yep, yep. Boosted C5Z? Okay. C7 ZR1, oh my goodness. And a matte Yas Marina Blue M3, that's really cool. I've never seen like a stealth coat on a Yas Marina Blue. That looks good. Got the Julia, another GTR rolling up. Oh my goodness, people just keep on coming. Wide body scat. Little plum crazy scat pack action. What's going on?
If I can reach me, let me know what time it is.
Oh, demonetized. What's going on? When did you get these wheels? I don't remember you having them.
I've had them for a while.
Really? I guess I just haven't seen you in a little while.
I mean, I have like the stock wheels for track.
Ah, okay, okay. They look good. Chalk Gray GT3 brother in the C7Z. Oh my goodness, they rolled in deep glittery wheels. They sparkly. This thing looks pretty quick. What's going on? V3 on beadlocks. I approve. Little Golf R action. Man, they rolled in deep. Holy crap. They just keep on coming. Nice little right-hand drive action. The 180. Yeah. Old school Ford. Oh my goodness. Oh, airing out. Yes, sir. Got the pre-runner Tacoma over here. And then this is super nice. Oh my God, I love it. Next up, this is up. Need a tow rig for the vet. Oh, and then Team Savage just keeps on coming in, man. I can't catch a break. My arm's getting tired from filming this clip. 4 minutes in. Plain Jane M4, what's going on? What's going on? The Pro Charge 5th Gen SS. But boys, this is a nut right here. Lady driven too. Matte black, 5th Gen C28. Oh my God. What's going on? Dude, I love that color. Admiral Blue, or is it Elkhart Lake? I don't know. Still super nice. Grand Sport. Got a couple SS's, back to the money. Got the Hulk Hellcat rolling up. This is a Big B bought a Hellcat, man. And then look at this. AMG GTR. Sheesh. That's so nice, man. Gotta show the G-Body Monte Carlo some love. Yes, sir. Oh man, this is really nice. Little termy action. I like this wheel setup. Very nice. Look at that. All right, boys. Dogs across Texas in the building. Hello, puppy. It's amazing. Oh! Got the C8 vet rolling up. Oh my goodness. You already got an exhaust on there too?
Badass 5.0 takeover.
Got the 448 stroker scat pack rolling up. This thing sounds crazy. This is the dude that like drifts out of everything. Dude sends it. And I'm here for it. Little JDM loves some more right-hand drive action. R32 Skyline. Yes, sir. Very nice. We got the wide body Hellcat on some deep dish wheels and airbags. Did he buy Red Eye Barber's wheels? Oh, this is Red Eye Barber's wheels. Okay. I like this Hellcat's wheel setup, man. I think it's clean. So you got this crazy looking Evo here, and I take it when you're definitely fast if you replace a headlight with an intake. That's that's some fast guy stuff right there, man. Who needs to see when you need more air? I mean, it's crazy. Bro, we got a chrome blue GTR rolling up. That is a pretty wild wrap.
Please pull forward. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready.
That is a bright wrap. Oh my God. Lady driven. Yes, mama, get it. Look, mama driving it. There is gonna be a lot of dogs in today's video. Hello, puppy. Puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. Little bully. And the boosted SS. Nice. Well, I'm more concerned about the dog. Man, look at these. Oh, Supra too. They got the old school Camaro. 69. Bad Niner. Oh yeah. That's dope. We got the Nova right behind them. Damn, son. And then a Supra. Oh my God, man, look at that 300s wrap. It's like a holographic chrome. That is so crazy. We got a couple homies over here, some twins. We got the homie Zachy over here and the SS with the teal brakes and the 1LE wing. Wow, I can't talk, I'm so tired. And drop him a follow there. We got the homie Fat SS right here. If you also want to drop him a follow real quick. All right, brother. Brother, I hear some Turbskis in there.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I hear some Turbskis.
let's get... Now, don't really go out there and burn rubber, but let's get ready to burn rubber. Let's take it slow. Let's take it slow. Hold up. Stop, stop, stop. Everybody, can y'all please clear this area, please? Let's get it.
So we got the twin turbo R8 with a crazy kit. Fresh Ferradas on there.
To the right.
Oh my goodness. Oh lordy. That plate is amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my car.
So you always hear Mustang dudes saying, oh, I'm bagged and boosted. How many R8s do you know that are bagged and boosted? I think it's crazy. So we got the crazy V3. Homeboy here also has a Liberty Walk GTR. But my main concern here is the old C8. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, already got the aftermarket exhaust. Yes, sir. Got the boosted Stingray rolling out, Pro Charger. We got the homie Joe rolling out in the GT3 too. This thing is so clean, man. AMG GTR. And then the super nice truck that I want. It's a horn. So we got the sparkly brown Scat Pack on some new Ferrada wheels, along with this AMG GT63 on another set of the brand new Ferrada wheels. This thing is sick. That color is really nice. It's a factory color, by the way. The matte blue. Can't remember the name of it, but it's one of those like Designo matte, whatever, Mercedes colors. Pretty sick. Oh my God, I'm missing the good stuff. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm missing the good stuff. Oh man, oh man. What is that? It's a six-wheeler Wrangler. What in the world? It's the Gladiator 6x6. Huh? That is crazy. And it has a V8 in it. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. We're here with the gang. We're going to get some pluckers right now. But hopefully you enjoyed that one. Let me know what your favorite car and it was in the comments down below. But, time to grub. I'll catch you next video, guys. Deuces.